Working on a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. Changing the transmission fluid, so there's 8mm bolts that go all the way around. We left one in the corner here and one in the corner, one here, and then I pulled the pan down from the back and it spewed all the oil backwards, and then I eventually pulled the one bolt from here, let it fall in, and then finally pulled that last bolt out, got the pan out. I had to tap it a bunch of times because the gasket like seizes on there. It's glued on pretty good. We're gonna clean up the surface and change the filter. I'm gonna measure how much we took out so that we know exactly how much to put back, because we pumped out actually a lot of it using this thing. So we got 3.5, almost 4 liters out this way. We're gonna suck out whatever came out from here into this pump just to measure how much actually came out, and then we'll put exactly that much in through the fill tube, which is actually hard to see from the top, but if you look from underneath, there's a huge tube here that goes into the transmission.
Yeah, we have to.
Oh, would you look at that? Your magnet found something, I think. Like, that's not fun. It's a big piece of metal. And whatever. Oh, wow. That's all ferrous metals. How many miles are on this?
Huh?
How many miles on this?
50.
50,000?
Mm.
I found a piece of metal, look.
Shit.
That's from something. Good thing we got it out. Look how the magnet is covered. So the two fuel filter little screws are actually a T20, a stark variation from the 8mm that opened up the pan, so I don't know why they switched it up, but it is a T20. And there's not a lot of room here, so I am using a swivel to get around the fuel filter. Don't strip, don't strip, don't strip. Don't strip, don't strip, don't strip. Ah, yes. Let's go to the next one. There's only two. There's one in the back there, and that one in the front. I'm gonna have to put you down. So this is in there pretty good. Both bolts are out, so I'm just gonna kind of unstuck this from the top. Now you gotta be careful because there is some type of gasket inside where it goes in to the transmission. So taking a look at here, it broke off inside, so we're gonna have to fish this out. But it looks clean in here, other than the one little piece of metal we found, and this now broken plastic that we have to fish out. But yeah, there's a little gasket in there. You gotta fish that out too. Nothing goes to plan. The plan is, the plan will fail and have a different plan.
Came up half it?
Oh no, that was the broken piece from the old filter. Now we gotta get this out. Let's try and pick. Okay, so we got it out. What I did was I shoved this in at an angle and kind of yanked it until it yanked itself out. I'm gonna put the new one in first, and then we will push the filter into this. And I wonder if I should push that in a little more. So for those who were interested in the Braun magnet-based swivel headlight, this one has fallen into this bucket of transmission fluid 3 times and still working, and the little charge port wasn't even fully closed, so I don't know what that's gonna mean next time I'm gonna have to charge it, but it's pretty good. All right, clean magnet, scraped away all the old gasket. Let's put the new one on. How does it look? Beautiful. It's gonna be fun. Do you have zip ties?
Mm-hmm.
Zip ties?
Put screws like this. Go in. not, I get to zip it. It works.
Well, let's see. This one here. So that one's on. That means that's going to be good too. That's good. I gotta check this one here. I don't know about. Oh yeah, that looks okay.
Now in the home.
Mm-hmm. In the back here. All right, the new pan is on. You gotta make sure you torque around, up, like kind of going around in crisscross pattern, then you'll see the gasket starts to push out, sealing all the way around and centering in. Yeah, no leaks. Make sure there's no leaks. So we'll fill it up from the top. I'll show you how to find that. So from the top here, you're looking at this harness here, and right next to the harness, you'll see that's the fill tube for the transmission fluid. So we're gonna stick. But if you see there, there's the tube. It does have a little cap that unscrews, and you can just take it off with your hands because it's just plastic. It's not on very tight, so yeah. So to get it to go through the gears, you gotta turn the traction control off and then put it in drive, let it spin, and then hold the brake slowly hit the brake. Okay, and then go back through the gears again.
Mm-hmm.
And then slowly get it up to speed again. Press the gas.
What I do now? Put this?
No, let it, don't press anything.
Why this come up in the top?
That's the traction control button.
No,
That's
this is the other one came up.
yeah, the ABS when you're pressing the brake is freaking out because it's in the air. Don't worry, just press the gas.
So what I do?
Press the gas a little bit. You got to get it through the gears again. Alright, bring it down. If you want, you can do manual. So you do like this. First gear, second gear, third gear. Go first and then press the gas and then go to second. That's down. Oh, it took the traction. Turn the traction control back off. All right, now we're back in.
ABS come up.
Yeah, it's gonna, because it's freaking out because the back wheels aren't spinning. Only the front wheels spin. Now go all the way to brake, 0, hold the brake. How does it feel? You don't even feel it shifting.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Now hold the brake good. Yeah, before you put them apart. Okay. How does it feel?
It's good.
Oh, good. Any different? Same?
But before was okay, but I want to change it all.
Yeah, no, it's good. 54,197 miles. It's a 2018 Dodge Caravan. 54,000 miles. Already metal piece broken off into the transmission fluid pan. Thanks for watching.